guys, so this month I'm collaborating with a fitness brand called Buff Bunny, and they sent me some outfits to share with you guys. So this is one of the outfits that came out for their showroom this summer, and as you can see, it's high-waisted. It goes all the way down to the ankles. I'm petite at 5'3". The pants aren't too long. They're made of basically the standard stretchy material. These are an extra small. So the back of this sports bra is open. It's full coverage. It does have cups on the inside and lift. This one is in a small, so this is a small. These are extra small. And usually I do a lot of yoga, so I'm just gonna show you guys. It's very stretchy, easy to bend. These are straight out of the box. They have not been washed. Usually some brands will give you clothes and they'll be like a little tight when you first put them on, but these fit perfectly. Okay guys, so here I am in the second set from Buff Bunny. As you can see, this one is a really pretty brown color with an all over print. Just like the last set, the leggings go all the way down. They're high-waisted. This bra top is a little different than the other one, but it's still full coverage. This one is a small also. It also has the padding right here. The back of it is a little different, and I'll show that to you. This is how the back looks. And so as you can see, the back is a little different on this set. It's not restrictive. You can do lots of your poses. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a couple of quick poses just to show you guys like what I would do. And if you have any questions for me about yoga, you can always come to my Instagram or my blog, and I'd be happy to answer any questions. For now, I'll tell you that I have been doing yoga for 8 years, and I've been doing Pilates Okay guys, so this is the last outfit that I got from Buff Bunny, and these are biker shorts, size extra small, high-waisted again. We have another sports bra, built-in support with padding. This one is a size small, just like the rest of them, and this one is actually just as comfortable as the other two sets. You can do some really great stretches. As you can see, now they do roll down a little bit right here. You can just adjust them. Okay guys, so those are the 3 outfits that I got and what I wanted to show you. These outfits are also perfect for doing other exercises like lifting weights or other calisthenics, and they're great for lounging around, especially this set.